Hey, this is Andrew with MEGAH SoftWash. We're here in Evans and we just treated this roof here. The reason that we got this call is actually from an insurance claim. They were not going to renew his homeowner's insurance because of all the mold that had built up on the roof. We've had a couple of these calls just in the last week. It's becoming more and more common for insurance companies to be making these claims to not renew homeowners insurance. And we understand it from both sides. The side of the coin from the insurance company is that mold up there is literally eating away at the life of the roof. All roofs are made with a limestone filler in it, and that's what that mold is up there feeding off of. From the homeowner standpoint, we also understand it because you're having to clean a roof that you didn't know that there was anything up there wrong with it. So just want you to know that we're here to serve both you guys, the insurance companies and agents, and also the homeowners. We're just here to serve people and serve them well by cleaning roofs, getting that mold off there, and hoping that they can last for a much longer time.